Hi, this is Dr. Victoria Scarbo, and this is your astrological weather for Tuesday, August 27th. Today is a day of shifting energies. The moon spends most of the day actually in Taurus, but does shift into Gemini around 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Mars also changes signs today from empathetic, sympathetic, and emotional Cancer into self-expressive Leo. And so this evening we start to feel the need to express ourselves and take action around that self-expression. We actually start the day with an interesting aspect. It's a sextile between Mercury, the planet of the mind, the planet of the logical side of the mind, the left brain, and Saturn in Scorpio. This is a waning sextile, and so it's an opportunity for us to reformulate the way our mind is structured, change our minds about things on a more progressive bent. Sextiles can also be a bit lazy, and so we can stick to our guns and not change anything. However, this is a golden opportunity to find a different way of experiencing the world. There's also a square between Venus and Jupiter today. Venus is in Libra, the sign of its rulership, and Jupiter is in Cancer, the sign of its exaltation. And so both planets are very well placed. Now, squares are generally crisis-producing aspects, but with Venus and Jupiter being the two benefics, sometimes the biggest problem with this is too much of a good thing. And so we need to watch that. We need to watch what we're eating. Sweets especially, we can actually make ourselves sick. If we look at this from the perspective of the greater whole and not just what we're putting into our mouths, we are looking at an opportunity for us to actually start to build foundations for a new way of being based on a sense of love and that we are all of the same family. So that or eating cake or both. And so there's a lot of opportunity here, and we're starting to move towards a more energetic time as Mars moves into Leo, and we're going to need that energy because we have a lot of work ahead of us, as the Sun in in Virgo always reminds us. So you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.